Is your Infiniti QX80 dropping its Apple CarPlay connection constantly? Let us troubleshoot the likely culprits in this guide. Statistically, most intermittent connection issues are actually caused by a damaged cable or a dirty charging port. Let us break down the diagnostic process to isolate the fault. Start by swapping your cable for a known good one and cleaning out any lint trapped inside your phone's charging port. If the hardware is fine, check your iPhone for pending iOS updates or background apps that might be freezing the CarPlay link. On the Infiniti side, try a hard reboot of the infotainment system and remove all previously paired devices from the car's memory. Most users solve this at home, but if the problem persists, it may indicate a deeper fault with the vehicle's head unit. As shown here, the vast majority of cases are resolved by addressing external connection points rather than the vehicle's hardware. If you are still struggling, try a full factory reset of the infotainment system, but remember to back up your personal settings first. Keep a non-conductive pick and compressed air in your glove box to safely clear out debris from your ports whenever needed. Remember that keeping both your phone and your vehicle's firmware up to date is the best preventative measure you can take. If these steps did not work, it is time to visit the dealer for a system diagnostic. Thanks for watching.